Hey guys, hi. Puppies. Hey girl, what is up, girly girl? Look at these puppies. Oh my goodness, y'all are so active. Hi. Oh. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Oh, what you gonna do? You gonna play? You gonna play? Y'all need some toys. I got it. Hit it. Here. Hi. We're all joining the fun, right? Hey guys, welcome back. Thanks for joining me. The puppies are now exactly 4 weeks old today. Aren't you cute? And we are filming from the barn. We got some nice ominous weather coming our way. It's very pleasant. We might get rained out. But today we are going to introduce these guys to their first version of solid food. Oh my God. All right, so let's have some fun. Let's make it. Now the fun part, we're gonna make their food. They're 4 weeks old, and today's, like I mentioned earlier, the first time they've ever chewed on solid food. They're gonna continue to nurse, obviously, until 6 weeks, but let's create something for them. What we're gonna use is, we're gonna use eggs, puppy chow, a little bit of milk to soften it, and then protein powder. Now my kids have no clue that I'm gonna use the blender that we use for smoothies to make the dog food, but what they don't know doesn't hurt them. Right, guys? Right. Oh, look at that. Blech. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Let's blend this up. Ooh, that looks good. They're gonna love that. Heck, this looks a lot like the banana chocolate smoothies I make the kids. Wonder if they know the difference. We are now in their little chicken coop lair, their little makeshift puppy kennel, and I am going to introduce them to their food here. So, you guys hungry? You getting hungry? Let's see what it tastes like. Say hi to the viewers. Oh, bees. Excuse me, I can't play with you while I'm helping you with your puppies. No, I don't want to talk with you either. No. That's for your puppies. That's for the puppies. No. It's for the puppies. Are they trying it? There you go. Good boy. Aw. Now's when they're going to start growing like weeds. Yummy. Is that good? I gotta get the other two. Oh, here she comes. Come here.